think it's a useless endeavor.
Nope.
Yeah.
Someone's got to do it.
Yeah, but look at the alley. It's like, what? We're not getting out of here. Look at this. Who's driving down that alley today?
What if they do get it cleared?
Then we're done. Then we have to make up a place to go.
You didn't bring your cell phone, did you?
No. Why?
Call Dan and Jen and make sure everyone's alright.
Yeah. This is like serious progress.
Snowstorm.
Yeah, Vernon's first blizzard.